Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day. Freaky Friday, July 25th. The market has just opened. We have an up day on the Nasdaq, bearish body. Up day on the S&P, bearish body. Inside day, unchanged body on the Dow. Here's my trading grid: daily, 30-minute and 1-minute chart. 30-minute driving down now. 1-minute chart as well, of course, on the open. This is the Asian open range, the London open range, and we've just started with the New York open range. The two sisters, 1-minute open range. Nasdaq is 20 points, give or take, and the S&P is 2.75, a little tiny open range on the S&P. And now we'll wait and be patient and see what this market brings us. All right, guys, I'm back. I think I had you on pause while I was explaining some of this stuff, so I'll just say it again. We are in a very messy London area here. I was trading through London here this morning, and we are still in this mix, and so there's nothing for me to do. I just explained too how we were in no man's land between the open range and VWAP, so nothing to do here. This is a no trade configuration in here. And I'm going to be very, very patient here on Freaky Friday and in a very messy London chop right here. See that there? Both the Nasdaq and the S&P, in fact. Just gonna let this go, guys. S&P in the open range. EMA's inside of the open range. Just hanging out here, guys. Nothing to do. You can see the S&P here, guys. This is a bowl of spaghetti in no man's land between open range and VWAP. Until this broad-based index clears up, I'm not doing anything over here, even though the waves are a little clearer here on the Nasdaq for now. But this is not a clean flowing market by any stretch of the imagination. And so I have no interest in doing anything in through here. So my dynamic open range, guys, immediately becomes this piece right here and this piece down here at bare minimum. So that includes the pre-market 30-minute candle. See, there's the bottom there. Watch my cursor. It's right there. And the top is right there. And a little bit more on these little flushes up and down. The reality is I'm not interested in anything that's inside of here. So this dynamic open range could be expanded to right up here. You see that candle wick right there? And that also includes most of the London open range. In fact, all of the London open range. So this is my working open range, guys, my dynamic open range. I'm not interested in any trades inside of this. And so I'll put you on pause and just bring you back if and when something happens outside of this. Nasdaq pushing up above VWAP finally. Still inside my dynamic open range and below the London open range, which was problematic earlier here and here, and we're now about to test it again. So we have an up day bearish body. That's a mixed message by itself. We are inside of a congested, consolidated, messy 30-minute range here. And we are below the London and the Asian open ranges here on the 1-minute chart and inside my dynamic open range. Lots of mixed messages here, guys. And the S&P is not helping anything here whatsoever. And now I know that a lot of traders will see this pushing up and say, yeah, but what if it goes now? What if it rallies and explodes to the upside and goes for an all-time high? Well, what if it does? That means absolutely nothing to me. I trade optimal, clean setups. That's what I do. That's my business. I am in the business of trading optimal, clean setups. I'm not in the business of catching every move. I'm not in the business of catching the biggest moves. I'm not in the business of catching all or most of a move. I'm in the business of catching the most certain moves, as certain as a random game can be. And going long here is not the most certain moves based on my experience. It is a potential move, it's a possible move, but it's not a high percentage move given everything that I just mentioned in combination with this. And whether this goes higher or not is completely random. It means uncertain or unknown. We are in a bull market, so going up should not be a surprise or a shock. And my swing trading is designed to capture those up moves on a grander scale. But this is day trading. All right, guys, we're back. It's 11:16, and I'm running out of time here in my optimal trading window. In 14 minutes, all of Europe is closed, and I'm going to call it a day here. We could absolutely break out. We could break down. Lots of things can happen, but this is not enticing or compelling price action for me by any stretch of the imagination. Thanks for joining me, guys, today and all this week. I hope you have an amazing weekend, and we will talk to you on Monday. Take care.